We're going to do a brief video on algo Tesla stock signals. We're logged into rbamresearch.com, and this lists 190 plus stocks with 1, 5, and 20-day hold periods. These are all algorithmically generated every day before 7 a.m. You can see these are listed for Friday the 3rd, and they're updated every morning before 7 a.m. Let's take a look here at Tesla. TSLA is a stock symbol. Again, we're looking at algo Tesla stock signals generated right here. Today you can see this algorithm's generated a 0, which is part of the way this algo works. I'll show you down here. It does generate prices. You can see for Marathon Oil it's generated $30, and for this Brazilian company $13.60. Freeport McMoran $41. So it does generate prices. Today most of these are zeros, and that's just the way it goes. Sometimes probably 1 day a week, 2 days a week you'll see a lot of zeros. The other 3 days a week you'll see probably 75 to 90% of these stocks populated with the buy price. These are going to be buys only. There's no shorts for the stocks, and again we list over 190 that are updated every day. These prices are algorithmically generated, and let's just pretend for a second that this said, you know, whatever Tesla's going for, $700. If this said $700 today and your independent analysis said it was correct, you could go ahead and buy at 700 on a 1 day hold. And the way this works is you would take a profit as soon as you got it, or you would close out at the end of 1 day trading day. So in other words, buy today, close end of trading day tomorrow. These are 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods. They're trading days, not calendar days. So if you wanted to do a potential 20-day hold, let's say that the stock price here was $750. You bought at $750 because the market hit it. Your analysis said that it might work. You buy it. You would intend on holding it 20 days. However, you'd close it out as soon as you made a profit. If it didn't make a profit, you'd close it out worst case in 20 days. So that's how these works. You can sometimes day trade on these, on the 1 day hold sometimes, but you should expect to be in it for one trading day if you use a 1 day, and then you swing trade with the 5s and the 20s. Now basically what happens is, as you hold out further, you go from 1 to 5 to a 20, you're going to get a slightly higher win rate. You're also going to get a slightly higher profit. But it's important to remember, even if you go with a 20-day hold, if you were to buy Tesla today at say $750 and you intended to hold it for 20 days, you take a profit as soon as you get it. So if you get a profit after 4 or 5 days, you close it out. You don't wait the full 20. You take your profit, close it out. If you didn't get a profit, you'd close it out worst case 20 days. And that's basically how this works. Again, we have algo Tesla stock signals. We also have those same kind of signals for 190 stocks as listed here. They're updated every day, Monday through Friday, before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. We have the 190 stocks, the major forex pairs. For crypto, we follow Bitcoin and the most liquid futures contracts. It's rbamresearch.com. The link is in the description below. It's absolutely no cost to get them every day. No credit card required, and they're updated every weekday by 7 a.m. Please click the like button if you like it, and please subscribe if you like this video and want to get more. And all of these prices, everything on this website is for entertainment purposes only. You definitely trade at your own risk.